What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the best VPN to use whether you're inside or outside of Cambodia. There's a lot of cybercrime in Cambodia, and protecting your online security should be your top priority, especially when you're on public Wi Fi. Obviously, the best way to stay safe is by using a VPN. And of course, if you're outside of Cambodia and you're trying to unblock a specific website or streaming services that are exclusive to Cambodia, you can use the Cambodian server within this VPN. I've tested dozens of VPN and this one always comes at the top. The name of the VPN is Surfshark, and this VPN has got more than 3,200 servers within 99 countries. You will be virtually be able to secure unlimited devices within just a single subscription using Surfshark. It's just one of the best VPNs out there, super easy to use, a lot of value for what you're paying, and you get all the necessary security features, and you don't have to pay all that much for it. You get 30 days money back guaranteed, so if you're still not satisfied, you can get your money back. And of course, you'll be able to find the links for the pricing and discounts in the description down below.